Preparing a bold, flavorful dish perfect for dinner and made in your own kitchen would be great. Well, here at Aside Guy Cooks, we got you covered with blackened chicken. So let's get started. First, let's make the seasoning. Now let's prepare the chicken breast. Set your timer for 15 minutes, and as always, ovens do vary. Cajun cuisine began in the 18th century, settling in Louisiana and blending the following flavors. By the 19th century, Cajun cuisine was in Louisiana and parts of Mississippi. Cajun cuisine is known for its rustic and resourceful cooking, bold and aromatic flavors, and one-pot meal preparations. Time to make the Cajun rice. That looks great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, this chicken has a bold, smoky flavor, seared to perfection with aromatic Cajun rice. I'm gonna have a little bit more. Yes, this dish delivers big flavor with minimal effort. Everybody at your table is going to absolutely love it. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that is a great weeknight dinner. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.